Hey, Jason Dazak Cook, hanging out here in Cabo. Gonna have a little fun, gonna barbecue. So over here at Flora Farms, we got some fresh, yummy chops. Got a little rosemary to throw in with that. That's gonna be pretty good. And then we might even throw some of this aspergas on the grill too. Let's just start working on getting some of these chops seasoned up. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this rosemary lemon salt. That's all I've got. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go simple, and then we're gonna stick it on the grill. I have barely any supplies here because you show up in Cabo, you're on vacation, you're at a different place, you have nothing, you have like some leftover supplies of stuff. And I have no pepper, but I did find some Montreal steak seasoning, which I love on my steak. Got a brand new grill, which is cool. Too bad they didn't buy any tools to go with it, which would have been nice. But hey, I got a fork. That's what counts. Let's get this stuff on. Let's get this thing happening. Yeah. Seems like it's working. Had no oils, had no fat, I had no olive oil. Oh well. And we'll just let those guys cook up. It could be worse, right? You know, you could be hanging out at home in some freezing cold weather right now. Probably gonna have to go check on that asparagus in a second. Oh, hey, you know, we got the electric stove, obviously working really great. I hate electric stoves, can't stand them. Starting to boil. It's getting there. By the time the chops are done, those will be done. This is what you get when you're on vacation. Yeah, they're getting there. Huh. Let's flip them over, see where we're at. I don't know, this grill's a little lame. Oh, the heat's in the back, see? Every grill's got some funkiness to it, right? Oh yeah, see now look. Look at the flames now. This is amazing. Why wasn't the flames like this earlier? All right, slap those bad boys on there. Slide this on over here to the table. Look at that, looks good.
Looks really good.
Let's find out what the verdict is. Yeah, it's working for you, huh?
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's amazing is
That's
what that
really
is.
good.
That is
Yeah?
so delicious.
I thought for sure it was gonna be pretty dried
Oh,
out.
I
Not
love
dry
it.
at
I
all.
love it.
No?
Actually though, yeah.
I got lucky in Mexico with a fork and limited supplies and a burner that wouldn't burn on me. Very cool.